Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you notice anything different? Yes, I got a backdrop finally. But yes, I'm super excited because I feel like it looks so much better, and I'm just excited that you guys don't have to stare at my wall or my door anymore. But anyways, in today's tutorial, I did this really pretty simple spring inspired look with a bold lip. I think it's perfect for spring and summer, so if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape in medium just to clean up underneath my brows since I already filled them in. I'm just dotting below, a little bit in the middle. And I'm going to take this flat shading brush by MAC in the number 242 and just go ahead and clean up underneath. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out with this Real Techniques brush right here. And for primer, I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. Alrighty, to set that, I'm gonna go in with my FitMe Loose Finishing Powder and this dome shape brush and dust that on my eyes. Now for the shadow. Okay, so first I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange into the crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this tapered crease brush by Sephora in number 19. I'm just mixing those two shades together and putting that on my crease. And I'm also using a super light sweeping motion back and forth, and then circular motions on that outer corner. Next, I'm gonna go in to the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette, and I'm taking this color here. This is called Bossy, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this Kylie Jenner eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna focus that mostly on the outer corners, and just also right below those two colors as well. You don't want to take it too high. You want to concentrate it right below those two shades. And then take it to the front as well. Next, I'm going into this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in Fluffy. It looks like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that on my lid using my finger. You wanna focus it on right on that lid space. And then pressing down on the lid. I'm just gonna take a Neutrogena makeup wipe and just clean out any of the fallout. For eyeliner, I'm taking the Maybelline Match Precise Liquid Liner, and I'm just gonna create a winged liner. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on mascara now. And I'm taking the Full and Soft Mascara by Maybelline in black. And the eyelashes I'm using today are by Eylure. I don't have the box, I don't know the name, but they look like this. Okay, while my eyelashes dry, we're gonna move on to my face, and I'm priming before foundation with the POREFESSIONAL by Benefit. And then for foundation, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC40. And I'm gonna start off by blending it out with this Real Techniques stippling brush. And I'm kind of just patting that in the areas. And I'm gonna take a smaller stippling brush by MAC. I don't know the number of this because I've had this brush so long that it wiped off, but it looks like this. It's a very small, compact stippling brush just to blend out on these smaller areas. And to blend out everything even more, I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender and just press that into the skin. Okay, for concealer, going in with my Shape Tape in medium by Tarte. Just like that. And I'm just gonna wet my beauty blender a little more with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer water. Okay, to set my concealer, I'm going in with my FitMe Loose powder by Maybelline. And then with this dome-shaped brush by Japanese, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust some of that loose powder all over my face. All right, going back to the eyes. Now that the lashes have dried, I'm gonna go ahead and line them again with my Maybelline Precise Liquid Liner, just to hide the falsy lash band even more. Okay, now that I lined my lash band with more liquid liner, I'm gonna go back in with the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette and go into that Bossy color that we used at the beginning and put that right on the lower lash line. And then we're gonna blend that out with the lighter shades in the Modern Renaissance palette. We're gonna go into Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And I'm taking this 217 brush by MAC and I'm just gonna add that to the lower lash line as well and blend out any of the harsh edges. For the inner corner highlight, I'm taking this Extra Dimension eyeshadow. It's called a Natural Flirt. It's kind of broken, but I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. And I'm using this small detailing brush by Japanese. It doesn't have a number, but it's just a small detailed brush. And I'm gonna pop that on the inner corners. Going back in with my mascara and just putting some on my lower lash line. Okay, for contour, of course I'm taking my Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I'm taking this contouring brush. This is number 79 and I got it from Sephora. Okay, with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take this 217 brush by MAC and contour my nose. Okay, I'm gonna blend that all out with this dome-shaped brush again, and I'm going into the FitMe Loose powder just a little bit, and I'm gonna blend any harsh edges. For blush, I'm taking this number 74 brush by Sephora, and I'm going in with this MAC blush called Melba. And I'm just gonna lightly dust that on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm using one of my favorite everyday highlighters. This is in Soft and Gentle by MAC, and it's super perfect to wear every day. Take this fan brush by Japanese. Going in with a smaller brush. I'm taking the other end of this Anastasia detailing brush. I'm just gonna go down the bridge of my nose. Put a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. A little bit on the cupid's bow. And slightly on my brow bone. Just gonna go ahead and blend that out a little bit. Alrighty, now for lips. I wanted to do something bold, so I'm gonna try to do like a bright reddish orange shade. So first I'm gonna wipe off this chapstick. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just go over my lip just a little bit with the remaining concealer, just to prep my lips. And my lips are pretty dry, so I'm not gonna use a liquid lipstick. I initially wanted to do a liquid lipstick, but since my lips are dry, I'm just gonna do lip liner today. First, I'm gonna color in my entire lip with High Maintenance. This is by Morphe. Next, I'm going in with this Italia lip liner in Chocolate, and I'm just gonna go around my lips. And then I'm taking this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Kitten Heels, and I'm just gonna go over everything. And to clean up around my lip, I'm going in with this flat 242 shading brush by MAC, and I'm just taking a little bit of my foundation and I'm just gonna clean the outer areas of my lips. And I'm gonna blend everything out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going back in with the Kitten Heels by NYX. I'm just gonna color in a little bit of the edges that I feel like can be affected. I think I can clean it up just a little bit more. So again, excuse my lips, they're really dry today. But that's that. I'm gonna spray and set my face with the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primer Water. I feel so dry today, so that's why I sprayed extra. And that is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!